Hi, welcome to my channel Learn and Win with Chethana Dathathreya. Applications of differentiation. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 2x square minus 3 at 1, 3. First, let us write the given equation. Y is equal to 2x square minus 3 is the given equation. First, we have to differentiate this equation. So, let us write the step differentiating. That is, we have to differentiate with respect to x. When we differentiate y, it becomes dy by dx is equal to, you can observe 2 is a constant and x square is a function. So 2 into d by dx of x square is 2x. Again, when we differentiate x, it becomes 1. Minus d by dx of 3 is 0 since it is a constant. Now 2 2s are 4x into 1 is 4x minus 0, which is equal to 4x. Now dy by dx at 1, 3. Here our x is 1 and y is 3. Since we don't have y value here, let us substitute the value for x. That is dy by dx at 1, 3 is equal to m. That is nothing but the slope of the tangent. So if you evaluate x is equal to 1 in the equation dy by dx, we get 4 into 1 since our x value is 1. So this becomes 4. That is m is equal to 4. This is the slope of the tangent. Now they have asked us the question. We have to find the equation of the tangent to the curve. So the equation of the tangent will be equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the formula that which is used for finding the equation of the tangent. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here our x1 y1 is 1, 3. x1 y1 is 1, 3. Now let us evaluate this in our equation. That is y minus, since our y1 is 3 here, so y minus 3 is equal to 4 into x minus, our x1 is 1. So it becomes x minus 1. Now y minus 3 is equal to 4 into x is 4x minus 4 ones are 4. We have multiplied it. Now you should remember every equation, it will be of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. You will have to get your equation to this standard form. So writing, rearranging the equation in the standard form, so this becomes 4x. When you bring y to the right hand side, it becomes minus y, and minus 4 plus 3, because minus 3 when it comes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 3. Now 4x minus y, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 equal to 0. 4x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the tangent. Hence, we have solved the question number 1. Now, let us solve question number 2. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x square plus 4x at 1, 2. Let us first write down the equation. Y is equal to 3x square plus 4x. As we did in the first problem, let us differentiate this both the sides with respect to x. So on differentiating, we get dy by dx equal to 3 into x square. That is 3 is a constant and x square is a function. So constant into d by dx of function. So 3 into d by dx of x square is 2x. If you differentiate x again, d by dx of x is 1. Plus 4 into d by dx of x is 1. Now 3 2s are 6x plus 4. Now let us find the slope of the tangent, that is m. For our equation, we require the slope of the tangent. So we are finding the slope of the tangent, which will be equal to m. That is, we get m when we substitute dy by dx at 1, 2. Now let us substitute dy by dx 1 comma 2 in our equation. 6 into the value of x is 1 and the y is 2. Y is not given. So let us substitute 6 into 1 plus 4. So m becomes 6 into 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now let us write the equation of the tangent. The formula for equation of the tangent to the curve is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now x1 comma y1 is 1 comma 2. It is given. Now let us substitute x1 y1 is equal to 1 comma 2 in the equation. So this becomes y minus our y1 is 2 is equal to m. We have found out m. It is 10 into x minus x1 is 1. So y minus 2 equal to 10 into x is 10, x minus 10 ones are 10. Now let us arrange this of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we have to arrange this in the standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let us shift the terms which are on the left hand side to the right. So 10x, let us write 10x plus y. When it gets shifted to the right hand side, it will become minus y. And minus 10 and minus 2, when you shift it to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. Now this becomes 10x minus y minus 8, because minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. So 10x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Hence, we have solved question number 2. To find the equation of the tangent, the formula that we use is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now, let us solve question number 3. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 1 at the point 1 comma minus 2. Let us first write the equation. Y is equal to 2x square minus 3x minus 1. Let us differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So on differentiating both the sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to 2 is a constant. So constant into d by dx of function, that is x square. So when we differentiate x square, we get 2x. When we differentiate x, we get 1 again. Similarly 3x, 3 is a constant and x is a function. So we get 3 into d by dx of x is 1. Then 1 is a constant, so minus 0. Now dy by dx is 4x minus 3. We have to find the slope of the tangent. That is, we have to find m, the value of m, for substituting in our equation. So the slope of the tangent m is equal to dy by dx at 1 comma minus 2. The value of x is 1 and the value of y is minus 2. Now m becomes 4 into 1. Since the value of x is 1, we write 4 into 1 minus 3. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the value of m is 1. So they have asked us to find the slope of the tangent to the curve. They have not asked us the equation. So m is equal to 1 is the required answer. Now let us solve question number 4. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x square at the point 1 comma 3. We will solve this sum in the similar way we have solved question number 3. So let us first write the equation y is equal to 3x square. So differentiating with respect to x both the sides. So when we differentiate the equation, this becomes dy by dx is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6x, and we have to find m is equal to dy by dx at 1 comma 3. So this will become 6 into d by dx of x is 1. So m becomes 6. Let us solve the fifth problem now. Find the slope of the normal to the curve y square is equal to 16x at half comma 1. Let us first write the equation. Y square is equal to 16x. Now let us differentiate this with respect to x both the sides. So when we differentiate this with respect to x both the sides, we get, when we differentiate y square, it becomes 2y. And when you differentiate y, it becomes dy by dx equal to 16 into x, that is constant into function. So constant into d by dx of function, that is d by dx of x is 1. Now dy by dx will be equal to 16 divided by 2y. You are shifting the 2y to the right hand side. So 16 by 2y. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So we get 8 by y. Now we have to find the slope of the tangent first. To find the slope of the normal, first you have to find the slope of the tangent. So the slope of the tangent is m. M is equal to dy by dx at half comma 1. Now let us substitute this in the equation dy by dx. That is 8 by, our value of y is 1. So this becomes 8 by 1. So m will be 8. Now we have to find the slope of the normal. There is a formula for slope of normal. The slope of the normal is given by minus 1 by m. So slope of the normal will become minus 1 by, our m is 8. 8 by 1 is 8. So minus 1 by 8 is the slope of the normal. Now let us solve question number 6. The volume of a spherical ball is increasing at the rate of 36 pi cc per second. Find the rate at which radius is increasing when the radius of this ball is 2 centimeter. Now let us solve this problem. So we know that volume of the sphere, since the ball is of spherical shape, the volume of the sphere is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we have to differentiate this equation. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of the sphere. We have to differentiate this. So the volume of a spherical ball is increasing at the rate of 36 pi cc per second. So this becomes dV by dt. Since volume is increasing, we write dV by dt. With respect to time, because 36 pi cc per second, second is the time. So dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi is a constant into d by dt of function. Function is r cube. It becomes 3r square into, when you differentiate r, it becomes dr by dt. Now we cancel 3 and 3 here. So we get 4 pi r square dr by dt. But given, what is given in the problem? Given the volume of a spherical ball is increasing at the rate of 36 pi cc per second. This is dV by dt. So dV by dt is equal to 36 pi cc per second. We have to find the rate at which the radius is increasing. Radius is given. The radius of the ball is 2 centimeter. Now in the place of dV by dt, we can substitute 36 pi. So 36 pi is equal to, that is dV by dt, 36 pi is equal to 4 pi r square. In place of r, we substitute 2 square because the radius is 2 into dr by dt. That is 36 pi is equal to 4 pi into 4. 2 square is 4 into dr by dt. 4 pi into 4 is 16 pi. So we can write this as 36 pi divided by 16 pi. We are bringing the 16 pi down to the left hand side. So it becomes 36 pi by 16 pi. We cancel pi and pi. So this will be equal to dr by dt. 4 4s are 16, 4 9s are 36. So our dr by dt will be equal to 9 by 4 centimeter per second. That is the rate of rate at which the radius is increasing is 9 by 4 centimeter per second. dr by dt is nothing but the rate at which the radius is increasing. Increase in the radius is dr by dt. So the rate at which the radius is increasing is 9 by 4 centimeter per second. Now we solve question number 7. The volume of a ball is increasing at the rate of 50 pi cc per minute. Find the rate of increase of radius when the radius is 10 centimeter. So let us solve this problem. We know the volume of the sphere. Ball is of spherical shape. So what is the volume of the sphere? The volume of the sphere. So we know the volume of the sphere is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of the sphere. Now let us differentiate this with respect to t, both the sides. We are differentiating this with respect to t, time, because 50 pi cc per minute, minute is the time. And why we are writing dv by dt? Because the volume of a ball is increasing. There is change in the volume. So we can write it as dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi is a constant. R cube is a function. If you differentiate r cube, you get 3r square into, if you differentiate r, you get dr by dt. But what is given in the problem? Given dv by dt is equal to 50 pi cc per minute, because read the question, the volume of a ball is increasing at the rate of 50 pi cc. That means dv by dt. dv by dt is 50 pi cc per minute. This is given. Also the radius is given. The radius is 10 centimeter. Now let us substitute dv by dt as 50 pi equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 into, what is our radius r? 10. So this becomes 10 square into dr by dt. 50 pi is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 into 10 square is 100. So we write 100 into dr by dt. Now we have to find dr by dt because they have asked us to find the rate of increase of radius. So dr by dt becomes 50 pi. Let us cancel 3 and 3. So the remaining we can write it in the denominator, that is 4 pi into 100. Now we can cancel pi and pi here. 51s are 52s are 100. So 4 into 2 is 8. So the denominator becomes 8, that is 1 by 8. So dr by dt is 1 by 8. Let us solve the question number 8. The equation of the motion is given by s is equal to 3t square plus 4t plus 6. Find the velocity after 2 seconds. First, let us write the given equation. S is equal to 3t square plus 4t plus 6. This is the equation of the motion. You have to find the velocity after 2 seconds. So the velocity is nothing but equal to ds by dt. That is, we have to differentiate the given equation. So velocity will be ds by dt equal to 3t square. So 3 is a constant and t square is a function. T square becomes 2t, and when we differentiate t again it becomes 1 plus 4 into d by dt of t is 1 plus the constant 6, it is 0. So 3 2s are 6, 6 into t is 60 plus 4, that is ds by dt. Now we have to substitute velocity after 2 seconds. So we write ds by dt at 2 seconds, that is after 2 seconds, ds by dt at time 2 seconds. So wherever there is t, we have to substitute 2 here. So this becomes 6 into 2 plus 4. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. So 16 meter per second is the answer. Now let us solve the question number 9. The equation of the motion is given by s is equal to 4t cube minus 6t square plus t minus 7. Find its velocity at t is equal to 0 second. Now let us write the equation. S is equal to 4t cube minus 6t square plus t minus 7. This is the equation of the motion. Now, as we have already solved in the previous problem, our velocity will be equal to ds by dt. So ds by, when you differentiate this s, it becomes ds by dt equal to 4 into, when you differentiate t cube, it becomes 3t square, into when you differentiate t, it becomes 1, minus 6 into, when you differentiate t square, it becomes 2t into d by dt of t is 1 plus d by dt of t is 1 minus d by dt of 7, that is constant, is 0. Now 4 3s are 12. 12 into 1 is 12. 12t square minus 6 2s are 12. 12t into 1 is 12t plus 1. So our ds by dt. Now we have to find ds by dt at t is equal to 0. 12t square. Let us put 0 in place of t because t is equal to 0 minus 12t. So t is 12t. So let us make this t minus 12 into 0 plus 1. So this will be equal to 12 into 0 square is 0 minus 0. 12 into 0 is 0 plus 1. So the answer is 1 meter per second.